So what's up everyone? I'm Benjamin, and yeah, I've been trading for 3 years, and today I want you to stay with me and show you how I managed to become profitable trader and the strategy that I use in the market to make money consistently. As you can see right now, we are it's Friday and the middle of night, and of course the market has already crossed. We're approaching Saturday, and I want to show you that I'm in a trade. I'm trading for here. I'm trading volatility. As you can see, I'm in trade line now. Look, as you can see, I'm in a trade. This is good trade that I took. It was 1 to 5, as you can see, and of course I'm in another trade which is 1 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 to 8. And yeah, I want you guys to stay with me and show you how I make money, how I identify demand, supply zone, and follow the market structure and make money consistently. So without going more, let me explain how I do trade. My first trading strategy, which is market order mechanism. So let's go. Market order mechanism. From here, what do we see here? The first thing we do when we are identifying, is to identify the market structure, the market overall trend of the market. Come here to 4-hour time frame. That's where I mostly analyze my trades. What do we see here? Look, we are in uptrend. As you can see, we are in uptrend. When we move to daily time frame, what do we see? Of course, we are in uptrend. That's what we see. As you can see, we are in uptrend. Hope everyone can see it. We are in uptrend. So what do we do when we are in uptrend? First of all, we mark our trend line. Our trend line, here's a trend line. Let's use this one. For here, as you can see, we were about to do what? To break the structure. We were in downtrend and the shift happened. After shift happened, we marked our trend line. As you can see, this is the trend line the market was following. And what happened? Boom. Market broken our downtrend and it entered in uptrend. After entering in uptrend, what happened? Look, we draw our trend line all the way down here and wait for the price. Look, when the price breaks this trend line and it shows us that the trend has shifted to uptrend, we don't enter direct. No, we can't enter from here. No way. Can't enter from here. We wait for the price to come back and touch our trend line. When it touched trend line, that's where we enter. Boom. Look what happened. This is what happened, as you can see. And of course, when the market touches our trend line, we don't go aggressive or go direct to the market. No, we don't do that. what do? We wait for confirmation. Look, we're in a day. Remember, we are in daily time frame. What confirmation? What the price shows us? This candlestick was rejecting candlestick, and then after the price formed this candlestick, which was rejecting candlestick, that's where we entered. And boom, this is how we talk hour 5, 1 to 5. Good trade. And yeah, what is really likely to happen, as you know, the market doesn't move straight or up straight. No, it have to make some retracement. And many people, you can ask me, why did I take this trade? Because guess what? If you know and if you remember very well, of course, there is a possibility that maybe the market, look, let's mark this supply zone, this demand zone from here. Yeah, there is of course another demand zone here. This is a demand zone, right? It's a demand zone. And if you remember, when the market trend shifts, what happens? When we are in uptrend, the last high becomes the last supply zone becomes the demand zone. And that's why I marked my demand, my supply zone, this one. And after marking my demand zone, of course, that's what always happen. The market changes. Everyone knows that. The market, the structure, when the structure changes, the last the supply zone becomes demand zone. That's why I entered here, and I'm expecting the price to bounce and make another new all-time high. As you can see, the price, as the day started, here there is some kind of rejection. And let me put on 4-hour time frame. Look, from 4-hour time frame, what do we see? On 4-hour time frame, there is some kind, look, there is some kind of demand zone here. I hope you can see it. There is demand zone here, and I'm expecting this demand zone maybe it may act and push the price all the way up here. Boom. 1 to 7. That's how we identify demand zone, supply zone in the market. That's how we do it. So today, what did we learn? I want you to understand. First of all, I showed you guys how to enter in a trade when there is shift in market trend. This one, boom. That's how we enter. We wait for the price to come back somewhere around here to our trend line and the enter. And of course, that's how we continue to enter in our market. Yeah. And in the next video, what are we going to run? What we are going to run is I'll be showing you how to enter in this internal movement. And when you catch this internal movement, I promise you that that's where you make a lot of money, in this internal movement. Because guess what? We're in 4-hour time frame here. But when you put in 1 hour time frame, we can get good entry. Good entry. Look. Good entry. See? For example, if we take a trade from internally, a long position from here, margin, stop loss, see here below this, demand zone, as you can see, and TP, of course, we have to take a TP all the way up somewhere around here. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look, this is 1 to 10, guys. This is 1 to 10. So the problem is, how do you identify this trade? Let me tell you something. Volatility moves very different. It doesn't move like a gold or whatever. But today, this is how we trade volatility. And in the next video, I will explain how to trade another current pairs, maybe gold, GBP, USD, USD, Japanese yen, something like that. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm here to journal everything, every single stage that I will be going through. As you can see, many people doesn't know about it, but I'm trading 100k challenge, and when I pass it, my goal is that I will be making like 10k, 10% a month, and that will be a 10k a month, which is pretty good money from Profam, and I will scale up to 2 million. I'm targeting 2 million maybe at the end of 2027, and I'll be making, of course, 10%, which is 200,000 a month. That's a lot of money. 200,000 a month. It's a lot of money. So stay with me, and you will see everything. Every trade that I'll be taking, I will come here and explain it. So stay tuned.